In this video, I will show you how to make collections on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, just head over in here on your products on your left sidebar, and then you can see in here all the products you have. Under your products, you can see in here the option for collections. Now, once you have head over in there, if you want to create a new collection, just click on this create collection right here. And then this will open this part. Now you can name your collection. So for example, this one, let's name this gadget. And in here, you can also put in here a description that you want to put on your specific collection. And you can put in here as collection type. It can be manual or automated, wherein it will be added to your existing and future products. For this one, I'll choose manual. Now you can also input in here an image that you want to use. So you can click on this add image right here. And then just look for the actual picture that you want to use for that. I'll just choose this one and then click on open. And then as you can see, this will load like this. Once you have done that, just click on the save option right here on the bottom or the save option right here on the top. And then in here, this will load. Now, once it's done loading, you can see a new more option right here. So when you scroll down, you can actually add some more products. Click on the browse option and then just add the products that you want to add. For me, I'll add this earbuds right here since there are gadgets and this is a gadget collection. Now click on add right here. And then once you have done that, as you can see, products has been updated and they are now categorized in the gadgets collection. When you head back, you can see that the gadget collections have two products, which are the earbuds as we have added earlier. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.